Woo! Y'all, I look crazy. But like cute crazy, but like a lion. Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. If you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to take you guys with me as I do my makeup and my hair. So that is what I did. If you want to see how I installed this unit though, and kind of how I prepped the frontal and everything, I have a separate video on that, and that'll be linked in the description box. Also, I want to say that this hair was sent to me from Ishow Hair Company. Thank you so much to Ishow for sending this to me. Honestly, you guys, like, no cap, no wrap cap, no, I don't know any other slang terms to say, I'm not lying, but I love this hair. I have not put any product on like 95% of the hair. The only part that I put product on, you guys will see in the video, is this part, and that's just because I had frizzed it out by doing like all my getting ready and stuff like that, and I always flip my hair and go through my hair. Oh yeah, y'all, because I had to stop in the middle of the video to make some Snapchats because that is how good I felt like I looked, because my makeup just looks so good, and then this hair just, ooh, y'all, I love it. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get on into the video.
Be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I.
Okay, you guys, so in the middle of me doing my makeup, I actually decided to go with a different eye look. That is why I kind of end up doing my eyes in a weird order, and I end up putting eyeshadow on after I put my lashes on, which caused me to have to re-put on my lashes and all this extraness. But I would try to describe as best as possible in the description box the order in which I put my eyeshadows on and the eyeshadows that I put on.
Time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 night. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah. Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, while you playing with my head on the time. You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.